Hi guys, here 8 plus 4 is 12 times 6 minus 2 in bracket whole power 2 divided by 2 minus 3. Here 12 times 6 minus 2 is 4 to the power of 2 divided by 2 minus 3. Here 12 times 4 square is 16 divided by 2 minus 3. Here 12 times 16 is 192 divided by 2 minus 3. Here 192 divided by 2 is 96 minus this 3. Here 96 minus 3 is 93 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operation, this 93 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this PEMDAS rule from order of operation. Here this is a bracket, higher priority, this is exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority, also this addition subtractions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce another rule called left to right in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Here, as per this order of operations PEMDAS, the bracket is higher priority. So we have to do this bracket before any other operation. So 8 plus 4 times, here 6 minus 2 is 4 to the power of 2 divided by 2 minus 3. Here the next priority is exponent. We have exponent here is 4 to the power of 2. We have to do this 4 to the power of 2 now before any other operation. So 8 plus 4 times this 4 to the power of 2 is 16 divided by 2 minus 3. Here the next priority multiplication and division. Here we have multiplication and division. We have to do this multiplication division before this addition and subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. For this equal priority we have introduced this left to right rule. Here left to right is this 4 times 16. So 8 plus this 4 times 16 is 64 divided by 2 minus 3. Here we have addition, division and subtraction. Division is higher priority than this addition and subtraction. So we have to do the division before this addition and subtraction. Here 8 plus this is 32 minus 3. Here we have addition and subtraction. Both are here equal priority. For this equal priority we have introduced this left to right rule. Here left to right is 8 plus 32. 8 plus 32 is 40 minus this 3. Here 40 minus 3 is 37 is the correct answer.